How to add multiple accounts on Instagram using iPhone. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts on Instagram using iPhone. So let's get into it. So first, what you guys need to do is you will open up Instagram app on your iPhone and it will take you right here. So now I'm going to click on my profile. So here you have to click on these three dots at the top right corner and click on settings. After that, you have to scroll all the way down and you'll find the add account option. Click on add account and it will allow you to create a new account or log in through an existing account. Click on create new account and you'll be able to create another account on Instagram. This way you will be able to switch between your accounts from the top option right here and create multiple accounts on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.